Welcome to GDS Education. Today we are going to discuss on one of the most underutilized tool in every supply chain organization, that is service level agreements. So when the service level agreements are deployed into the company, they can become an accelerator for your improvements, not only for your operations but for the entire company. I have seen many companies like e-commerce where Amazon, Flipkart have deployed the service level agreements have increased their efficiencies and gained the market share. So what are the advantages of deploying a service level agreements? So I am going to discuss on the three topics where you can add a value to a company using a service level agreements. The first one is define the success. So whenever you are deploying a service level agreement into your organization, first it gives an accelerator to your success. That means you will be deciding on what threshold you need to work on. That is, you will be fixing the above threshold as a success and a below threshold as a failure. So this helps you to go in organized manner. And the second one defines the expectations. So service level agreements acts as a perfect tool for defining your expectations with your partners and along at the different places in the supply chain. That is, at the different stages of supply chain, you can give an expectations with your partners as well as the workers who are working on it. And the third and the final one is a reasonable error rates. So in every supply chain, whenever there is an intervention of humans, so you can't keep a service level agreement. The best way is to use Lean Six Sigma tools. So by using a service level agreements and combining with Lean Six Sigma, it is a value added for your organization where you can get reasonable errors and you can easily overcome that errors. So this is the advantages of having a service level agreements in a supply chain where you can leverage your profits and also revenues by reducing the costs. Hope you have understood about the service level agreements in supply chain and how important it is. Thank you, one and all.